Wow. Ladies and gentlemen, come inside. Come inside. We're going to be doing a financially minimalism apartment tour. And the ironic thing is, guys, I'm actually moving out of this apartment in about 3 weeks. I'm going to be moving in with Josh. Josh, say hello to the camera. So, guys, this is an apartment that I've lived in for about 1 year now. This is downtown Nashville, more specifically Capitol View. Yeah, residence at Capitol View. Super nice apartment. To be honest with you guys, the reason why I moved here, when I first moved to Nashville, I had a 9-to-5 sales job, and that's right down the street. So it was perfect locationing for me when I first got here. This was also a newer apartment, so the rents were a little bit lower. Now, I think when I first moved in, the rent was like $1,730. I just checked the rents for this exact apartment today. It's gonna be $2,700. So that's a lot of money. And even though that the money is going up every single month, if you can find ways to save, we love to do that. So that's why we're actually going to be saving some money and moving in with Joyce. Anyways. So first, guys, we're gonna start off with the kitchen here. Super nice. What are these, cabinets? Yeah. Super nice cabinets here. I like having all the glasses here. You can see them, on the outside. Even though I use like one at a time, that's okay because it just looks really nice. And also when I move into Josh's apartment, we'll be taking all those over. But tons and tons of cabinets. If you're like really well established, they have like nice little places up there to put like decorations and art and that type of thing. I'm not like that yet. So those are just gonna be left empty. We have the fridge here, super nice marble. I guess this is marble countertops. Also got the tea, got the blender, got the juicer. Been ripping apple juice. Guys, this is freshly squeezed apple juice. It plays no games whatsoever. It's so freaking nice. Gosh, Josh, is it good? They can't even hear you because it's my mic, so get out of here. All right, that's about it for the kitchen, besides the stove and the microwave and that type of thing. But super, super nice. Coming over into the living room. Really, I think the centerpiece on this entire thing is this rug. I got this rug locally from, gosh, I cannot remember his name, but he was a really nice guy. Saw this rug in there and I was like, wow, this rug is amazing. I will buy this and probably have it for the next apartment, and the next house after that. So I wanted to buy that piece early on, and that's an investment for my happiness, I think. Adding on to the investment to my happiness, we do have a cloud couch sofa. Now, in terms of financially minimalist, it's definitely not. It's not at all. It's very expensive. I think it was like $4,000, maybe around there, $4,000. It's completely worth every dollar. I will not lie. It is so amazing. You can just lay down on it. I like to do work here. It's so comfortable. Even though I'm not usually sitting here that much unless I'm watching YouTube videos, it is worth it. And again, it's an investment. Guys, coming over into the lab here though, this is where all of my YouTube videos are obviously shot. You probably see it mostly coming from this way. I have a Christmas tree over here that I probably need to take out of here, but I have a Christmas tree, a mini one. I have a light right here, which helps make the lighting look a little bit better, obviously. Got some greenery, got this plant, got that plant behind Joyce, as well as a little baby cactus, little cacti right there, and then another plant over there. But this is really my desk. This is my workspace. Got my iMac. Josh has my Sony a7S III in his hands. Usually it's sitting right here. I also just invested in this little stand for my phone to make TikTok videos with. Makes it much easier. But this is really where I spend most of my time grinding, doing work right here in the lab. Next, we'll come over here to the media table. Which is obviously where the TV is, but also where my book collection is. I absolutely love books. These are my top 5 favorite books. I have a video on that, so do not miss out on that. As well as all the books that I'm going to be reading. But I'm a huge finance nerd, so I wanted to start that bookshelf, the book collection early, so I can just keep building up over time. And then when people ask for recommendations, I'll be able to ask them what they want, and then boom, give them a suggestion. So that is the bookshelf. We're building up the collection. Come on, guys, let's go in the bedroom. The lighting is terrible. Hold on. All right, cool, guys. So I'm not really one for decorations. I probably will be later on, but it's not really something, as you can tell by the walls, we really don't have much in here. Just have the bed. The bed is a purple mattress. And when I tell you it is fire, oh my gosh, it is, I mean, it's just so, it's amazing. It's worth every dollar too. Can't remember where I actually got this bed frame from, but again, not much decorations in here. I really like to do things for, you know, functionality. So that couch and then the bed, I think those do really well for functionality, but not much in here. Next we'll come to the closet, the walk-in closet. Got my dirty clothes, got a hoodie right here. In here, you gotta come in here, Josh. This thing is crazy, okay? You can't see anything really in here until you zoom in right here. You see that right there? Google Fiber. Yeah, Google Fiber, it's amazing. It's like a gig up, a gig down, so you can, Google Fiber. So it's a gig up and a gig down. Definitely worth it when you're trying to upload YouTube videos and stay on top of things. It's amazing. Here's the shirt collection right here. Got workout shirts, got my favorite shirts, favorite Grateful Dead shirt, Forts, shout out to Forts. I have like multiple pieces that I just continuously rotate. And I got a lot of winter stuff, but obviously not rocking any of that in the summer. But I really just have like 10 to 15 shirts and I just keep wearing them. That's all you really need, you know? I think that's it in the rotation. I have 1, 2, 3 pairs of shoes. I have two running shoes, and I rock these. I really don't have that many pairs of shoes. You know, you only got 2 feet, so there's that. Moving into the bathroom, which I think is super freaking cool. The bathroom with the marble floor, the marble shower, it's super freaking dope. I mean, you walk in here, you're like, yeah, this is a really, really sick bathroom. So this caught my attention when I was looking at apartments. Really, really, really nice, very appealing. A lot of hair shows on the ground though, so you gotta always vacuum, so don't forget to do that. But the bathroom is phenomenal. But yeah, that's pretty much it in terms of the actual tour. Some minor things about the area. It's in a really cool area, a lot of good places to run, as well as Publix is downstairs, so that doesn't suck. When you like go to forget something, you can run downstairs and go to Publix. But again, after all said and done, this channel is to help people build wealth. If your living expenses if your living expenses are continuously increasing over time, that might not be the best thing for you unless it's truly worth it. For me personally, I'm completely fine living with Josh. He's a great guy. He helps shoots my YouTube videos, so he's a legend for that. But it helps me because I can save more money for my living expenses and then take that money and invest it into other assets. So yes, this place is super freaking cool and really freaking nice, but at the end of the day, that's gonna be a better alternative for me. So guys, thank you so much for watching my apartment tour of a financial minimalist. We will be doing another apartment tour when I move into Josh's apartment, so you guys stay tuned for that. We're also gonna plan to set up a really dope YouTube studio area. We still haven't figured that out yet, but we're gonna get something really, really good cooking, and he's also gonna be phenomenal at lighting, so we're gonna kill the game. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Smash that thumbs up button. Smash it, destroy it. And I appreciate all of you guys. Tune into the next video. Again, have a great rest of your day. Bye, guys.